Choosing between a wood fence and a concrete fence can greatly affect the look, privacy, and security of your property. Let's take a quick look at the advantages of each option. First, wood fences bring a warm and natural appearance to any home. The natural texture of wood blends well with gardens, lawns, and outdoor landscapes, creating a welcoming and traditional look. Wood fences can also be built in different styles, heights, and patterns, making them highly customizable to match the design of your property. However, wood fences require regular maintenance. Over time, the wood may need staining, sealing, or painting to protect it from moisture, sunlight, and insects. Without proper care, wood can eventually fade, crack, or rot. Now let's talk about concrete fences. Concrete is known for its strength and durability. It can withstand strong winds, heavy rain, and harsh weather conditions, making it a reliable long-term fencing option. Another advantage is maintenance. Compared to wood, concrete fences require very little upkeep and can remain strong and stable for many years. So which one should you choose to secure your property? A wood fence or a concrete fence?